A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, which B and C together can do in 16 days. After A has been working at it for 5 days and B for 7 days, C finishes it in 13 days. In how many days C alone can do the work? So we have to find this. In how many days C alone can do the work? Let's assign the variable. Let's assume C does a work in X days. So what we have to find? We have to find X. So coming to the question, first condition of the question is A and B together can do piece of work in 12 days. It means A and B do a work in 12 days. So work done by A and B in 1 day is nothing but 1 by 12. Now next part of the question, B and C together can do work in 16 days. So work done by B and C in 1 day is nothing but 1 by 16. Now third condition of the question, after A has been working at it for 5 days and B for 7 days, C finishes it in 13 days. It means A work for 5 days, B work for 7 days, and C work for 13 days, and all together they finish a work. Now we have A and B combination and B and C combination. So make here A and B and C combination. How can I make it? Simply A and B do work in for 5 days. Now how many days left for B? 2 days. So B and C do work for 2 days. Now how many days left for C? 11 days. C work for 11 days is equal to 1. Now use work equation. Work equation, simply A and B work for 5 days and the capacity of A and B to do work in how many days? 12 days. Similarly for B and C work for 2 days and capacity of B and C 16 days, and C do a work for 11 days and the capacity of C is nothing, simply X is equal to 1. Now solve this equation and find out the value X from here. So simply 5 by 12 1 by 8 minus 1 minus 11 by X. So 5 by 12, take LCM 8 here, 8 minus 7 is equal to minus 11 by X. Minus 11 by X, 12 into 8, 40 minus 84. So this is minus 44, 12 into 8. So 11 by X minus 11 by X minus 44, 12 into 8. So minus minus cancel, 11 4 2. So X is nothing but 24 days. So right answer is 24 days.